Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make question cards. First, gather your materials. You'll need a stack of index cards, perhaps 3 by 5 inches or 4 by 6 inches, along with some pens and markers. Having a consistent card size helps with organization. Make sure you have plenty of cards on hand, maybe a pack of 100, so you don't run out mid-project. This initial step sets you up for success. Now, let's focus on crafting your questions. It's best to write one clear, concise question per card, ensuring it targets specific information. For example, if you're studying history, ask, "What year was the Declaration of Independence signed?" rather than a broad topic. You can also include the answer on the back of each card. This simple method makes self-testing incredibly efficient and reinforces learning effectively. Organizing your question cards is key for long-term use. Consider using different colored cards or markers to categorize subjects, like blue for science and red for history. Numbering your cards, perhaps from 1 to 50, can also help you track your progress. Store them neatly in a small box or secure them with a binder ring. This keeps your cards tidy and prevents them from getting lost, making review sessions much smoother. To maximize the effectiveness of your question cards, regular review is essential. Try to go through your stack of cards, maybe 20 to 30 cards, at least 3 times a week. Shuffle them frequently to avoid memorizing the order. Test yourself actively by trying to recall the answer before flipping the card. You can also use them to quiz a friend. As your knowledge grows, update or create new cards to keep your learning dynamic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.